So students, this is our PowerPoint presentation. As you know, this is our first chapter, chapter 1, our country. Let's come forward. We were talking about the deserts. Deserts are the barren area of the land. There are a lot of hot and some cold deserts across the world. Yes, we also do have the cold deserts. But do you know that Pakistan also hosts some beautiful deserts? And here are the 5 wonderful deserts of Pakistan. I'm showing you the pictorial presentation and the list of it. Be focused. Look at the beauty. Look at these sand dunes. Look at this burning sun. Can you witness these sand dunes? These dunes have been caused by the air, the wind. It seems like water, but these are the sand dunes. The first one and the beautiful one is the Cholistan. The few area of Cholistan is in Pakistan and the rest of the Cholistan is in India. Cholistan desert is locally known as Rohi. Local people name it Rohi. And it covers the Bahawalpur, Punjab. Bahawalpur is the most beautiful city of Punjab. It's a part of Punjab, and still Bahawalpur have the remains of that time's Nawabs. Their residence, their different constructive work is over there. It adjoins the desert extending over to Sindh and into India, as I told you. Cholistan Desert hosts an annual Jeep rally known as very famous Jeep rally, AS and NBSP. You can name it just like a Jeep safari, like the way Dubai people used to have. It is the world's biggest motorsports event. Look at this Jeep rally, how fascinating. How much thrill they must have been facing, and look at the adventure of having this Jeep rally. The next desert is the Thar. Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. It's the world's 17th largest desert and the world's 9th largest subtropical desert. The Thar Desert spans an area of 1,75,000 square kilometers. It also covers the large area of Indo-Pak. Thar. Thar is in Sindh. In the picture, look, there is very less vegetation, very dry spinal plants, and no water. Look at the hard life of Thar people. They do not have any conveyance, though they have these camels. They are traveling on these camels. Look at the footsteps of camels and the sand and the burning sun. The next desert is the Indus Valley Desert. Indus Valley Desert is located in the mountainous area, in the northern area of Pakistan. It is surrounded by the scrub forest. It is very cold in winter and very hot in summer. The vegetation in this forest is very useful in medicines. It lies between the two major rivers in the region, the Chenab and the Indus. Besides other desert, this desert is a bit fertile. See, how people are traveling on the camels. Beautiful scene. Last we were talking about the Thar desert. Now this one is Thal. We are having L in the end. This desert exists in Punjab, in the Mianwali region. It lies in between the Jhelum River and the Indus. A very well established desert. We have found a water over here. There is a water supply for the people living in Thal. And nowadays there is a canal building project currently running in this area to irrigate the land. Thal. Beautiful picture of a desert. Now, the Haran Desert. Like the name is showing that this desert exists in Balochistan. The Haran Desert. It's so much sandy and rocky. So much sandy and rocky, that's why local people named it Sandy Desert. See, far, far away you can only see the sand and the sand dunes. So guys, this is your homework. That in which part of Pakistan are the deserts located? To give the answer, you can watch the video, you can watch these slides again. You need to mention your name and a place of that desert, that in which province that desert exists. Your work should be neat and clean, and it should be completed in 60 to 70 words. In which part of Pakistan are the deserts located? Watch carefully. Do not ask again about the homework. This is your homework. Highlight the name desert. Write down the question and then watch the video again to give the answer. In which part of the Pakistan are the deserts located? Thank you guys.